So, I've been asked what an anxiety turtle and an anxiety dragon are. While I don't have a dragon to show you, I do have a turtle. Same basic concept though. This is my first anxiety turtle. Unfortunately, the anxiety dragon failed. What it basically is when you print something and change out the filament every couple of layers. Or like I was doing every hour. And the reason it's called an anxiety whatever, some of these 3D printers would have no problem printing this, but as soon as you change it at all, like using a different filament, they fail. Like my dragon did. So it causes a lot of anxiety knowing you're going into it and it could fail at any moment. And that is my newest anxiety turtle. It just finished. I hope that answers your question. Anxiety turtle, part 1. It's looking good so far. Time to change the color. We're going print bed blue. Let's go ahead and get that on there. And there it is. You see it starting to appear down there. I'm gonna let that one run for about an hour and a half, a little bit longer than I did the last time, just to give it a little bit more. But, see you in the next video. Anxiety turtle, part 2. Looks like we got enough of that blue. I like that. Back to the glow in the dark. So it's kind of hard to tell, but there is definitely glow in the dark going on down there. Leave that one going for about an hour, and I'll have another video up. Anxiety turtle, part 3. So far we have glow in the dark, and then blue, and then glow in the dark. And now we're going with violet. You can already see it starting to come in. I'll be back in about an hour. Anxiety turtle, part 4. That is where we are at so far. Going back to the glow in the dark. Glow in the dark is loaded up. It's hard to tell on camera, but it is laying down the glow in the dark. I'm gonna let that run for about an hour. See you then. Anxiety turtle, part 5. Turtle is looking absolutely amazing. Let's go with the apple green this time. Starting to get a little bit of green there. Swap it out in about an hour. See you then. Anxiety turtle, part 6. Cutting this one off a little bit early. I think it's good. We're going back to the glow in the dark. And for those of you that ask, here is a tutorial. I cut it off, leaving enough room so I have time to swap everything. Swap the rolls out. And then when that goes in the hole, well, I just push that in and hold pressure on it until the gear grabs it. A couple of quick items on that. Don't push too hard, you'll move the gantry. Also be mindful of the retractions. It will pop that filament out if it isn't far enough. It's super hard to tell with the glow in the dark, but it is there. It's just very much clear right now. Back in an hour with another swap. Anxiety turtle, part 7. Got that glow in the dark looking good. Should be tall enough. For the next one, we're going with the yellow. Yellow is coming in nicely. I'll be back in an hour with another swap. Anxiety turtle, part 8. Yellow is looking amazing. Going back to glow in the dark. Glow in the dark is so hard to see. But it's on there. I'll let that run for about an hour and swap it again. Anxiety turtle, part 9. Looking really good. Let's go with some red. And there's the red. I'm gonna let that run for an hour and I'll see y'all then. Anxiety turtle, part 10. So for this is going to be the last of the color changes, because I'm going to do a couple all at one time, because it's going to go kind of quick. So instead of every hour, it's probably going to be every half an hour. So instead of making a video, every half an hour, I'll just do it all in one. Right now we're on red. Got the glow in the dark going down. Next to impossible to see. And that's where we're at with the glow in the dark. I'm going to swap it out for this pink. And after that, I'm going back to the glow in the dark just to finish it out. We can see some pink starting to come in. Looking good. Last color change. That's where we're at. Going back to the glow in the dark just to finish it off. I'll post a video when it's done.